We begin with moves to stabilize the global financial system. The Federal Reserve and regulators around the world taking action to prevent further fallout, including engineering a major deal to take over banking giant Credit Suisse. Our chief business correspondent, Rebecca Jarvis, is on Wall Street with the latest for us this morning. Good morning, Rebecca.
Good morning to you, Michael. And there is a sense of real caution here on Wall Street with news of that deal and that coordinated action between central banks around the world in order to prevent a major banking meltdown. This morning, Swiss regulators stepping in, hoping to restore confidence and add stability to the panic-stricken global banking system. Overnight, banking giant UBS acquiring its embattled smaller rival, Credit Suisse, in a $3 billion deal negotiated by the Swiss government.
The bankruptcy of a global systematically important bank would have caused irreparable economic turmoil in Switzerland and throughout the world.
The Credit Suisse deal following a week of volatility and panic set off by the collapse of two major U.S. banks, Silicon Valley and Signature Bank. ABC News has confirmed reporting by the New York Times that the Federal Reserve was aware of risks to SVB more than a year before its collapse, raising new questions about why the Fed failed to act. According to the New York Times, in a 2021 review of the bank, the Fed issued a warning to SVB over its risk management systems and subsequently issued several more, finding significant weaknesses in how the bank was managing key risks. By 2022, the Fed rated the bank deficient for governance and controls. The Fed is now conducting an internal review into how it supervised and regulated SVB. In the meantime, legendary investor Warren Buffett has reportedly held talks with Biden administration officials about the banking crisis. And if you'll recall, Warren Buffett, that legendary investor, stepped in during the 2008 financial crisis. He bought shares in Goldman Sachs back then for $5 billion and made more than $3 billion on the investment. Meantime, this morning, we have news that New York Community Bank has agreed to purchase Signature Bank. And then finally, Robin, the Federal Reserve, according to Goldman Sachs, is very likely to pause its rate hikes at the next meeting this week. That would mean less expensive credit for Americans on their credit cards and new mortgages, Robin.
As you said, we'll find out later this week about that. Rebecca, thank you.
Yes.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.